Ezra Gabriel Pelos Clapos. She is 7 years old. Hi. Ay, pareha may naka-red. Okay, it's a sign. Hey, baby. Let me go closer to you, okay? Let's scoot closer. There you go. You're 7 years old, right?
Yes.
Isay mo po yung bili. Who are you here with? English. Who are you here with? Your mommy, daddy?
My family.
Your entire family. Wow! And they're in the front row. Okay, Tito Adrian. Anything you want to say to our cute little star? First up, okay, hold the mic, because Tito Adrian has a question for you, alright?
Hi, Ezra.
Hi.
How are you today?
Good.
Good. You're so pretty in red. I'm curious, why you decided to join SM Little Stars this year?
I want to join because I want to dance and sing. I want to share my talent.
So today, you'll be singing or dancing?
Sing and dance.
Sing and dance. So welcome to the first meeting at Star Club.
Yes!
Go, Ezra, show you what you have.